Man, all you idiots who believe in gravity are so stupid. Gravity's just a theory. It hasn't been proven. It's only a theory. That's why they call it the theory of gravity. I mean, there's no observable evidence for gravity. I mean, yeah, stuff falls down, but it says in the Necronomicon that there are invisible goblins who decide arbitrarily what goes up and goes down. And the Necronomicon is the ineffable word of Cthulhu. It says so in the Necronomicon. And I mean, whether you're a cultist or not, like even if you're dumb enough to not believe that the Necronomicon is ineffable is absolute truth, then still you're stupid for believing in gravity because it's only a theory. Theory means it hasn't been proven. That's why they call it the theory of gravity. God, you people.